So we've done the test run in the car, and now it's to check to see if we've cured the issue. So first things first, let's check the level of the water is all right. Make sure we haven't had too much water loss and we haven't got a leak. No, water's in there. We've already checked the oil level and that's okay. So we're going to check pot 2 first, because I know this pot was running all right. Not ideal conditions for doing a test run on an engine at -3, but needs must. So let's have a look. These are brand new plugs, so let's have a look.
Yeah, look at that. So that is lovely and brown.
That's a tan colour.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, so
happy with that.
Pot 2's lovely. Pop that back in.
Did you put a brand new plug in 3?
In all of them.
Completely brand new?
All new.
Okay.
Whole new set, so we could see what was going on. So then now we're down to the pot of doom. So put that one back in. Go in number 2, thank you. Click. Now let's find out whether we've cured it or whether we've got more investigations.
That
is oily.
Is oily.
Ugh. Okay, so now just put pot 3 back, and the plug was slightly oily, so doesn't look like we've cured the problem. So we're going to have to look deeper, see what's going on.
Have a look at the others.
We could do. Have a look at number 1, shall we?
Number 4 as well, because that's closest to the 3, isn't it?
Yes, 4 is close to 3.
Yeah, so that one is a mixture, I would say. So that's sort of tan in the middle and slightly sooty around the outside. So that's more like 2. Happy with that. So we'll see what four's like.
Where is it?
Back a bit, down a bit. There you go. Okay, so that one is very slightly darker than 2 was, but is tan, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got slightly more oil in it.
Oil?
Yeah, slightly more oil around it than 2 did.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to do some more investigations. Anyway, and on we go.
So what else did you check after we did the test run?
I checked all the connections. I checked all the lights and everything. Seems I haven't hitting anything. I checked the indicators. I checked the windscreen wipers.
Check there was no water.
Check no water
pouring
leakage.
everywhere.
Yeah, check the water levels. Yeah, I've checked everything. Although I got a feeling we might need to go for a longer test run in slightly warmer conditions to make a definite.
It ran fine.
Yeah.
So that's the important thing to say, is that the 10-mile test run, and we went through traffic, slow speeds, all the gears, up a hill in 50.
Yeah.
And it ran fine.
Yeah. So the next job to do is get it up to running temperature again, and then drop the oil out and change the oil, and that would be the last part of the process of the head gasket change. And but for us, it's the start of the process of finding why pot 3 keeps oiling up. Now, if it keeps oiling up but doesn't foul, as in misfires and goes dead, then it's not an issue. It just happens to be that's what pot 3 does. The only other thing I can think of is a loose valve stem, but on a new head that is unlikely. So I'm going to have to do some investigations. And there we go.